Today I'm going to be unboxing with you a card holder from YSL that I also think would make a really great Christmas present for your wife if she loves luxury goods. Your mom, your sister, anyone who loves luxury goods and you want to give them something big and substantial, but something that's a little more affordable rather than a big bag. Something like this would be a really nice gift idea for someone who loves luxury goods. Hello beloved friends, I hope that you're having a beautiful fall day. I am Louier and I make videos most every week on faith, beauty, and lifestyle, and today's video I'm going to be unboxing. It's actually my birthday present to myself. I had saved up some budget to purchase this item for my birthday. My birthday's 11/11 and I love collecting luxury goods, and this one is something that I think would be a really good fit into my collection because it's something that I'm going to be using every single day because all my cards are going to go on it. Let's unbox this little guy. Here we go. Wow, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, I can totally picture all of my cards going in this little guy right now. This guy has, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 little slots for different cards. I love the way it's so intense. Like the leather is so beautiful, it's so sturdy, looks really gorgeous, very sophisticated and elegant. And it also has the little middle pouch guy that you can stick some things in it. I like just keeping my driver's license and my bank card, keeping other cards in the back, but I mainly use cash when I go grocery shopping and things like that. We do a monthly budget. We have had Financial Peace University as our guide for a very long time for our finances. So this is something that definitely didn't just get put on a credit card. This was something that I saved up for and bought with money, not a credit. I love having one of these because I like to transfer my goods to different bags all the time, and it's annoying to have a big wallet that's not going to fit into my smaller bags. So I enjoy having this one because I could just put it and transfer it into different bags. That's it. Oh my gosh, this was a cutie pie fast little video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that this gave you some ideas for the upcoming holiday season to give to somebody who loves luxury in your life. This retails for $275. It is the Saint Laurent credit card holder in the Grain de Poudre in the color Negro. Well, it's obviously black. They have it in red, they have it in tan, and they have it in black with the logo matte black. I'll link all of those down below for you and leave them down below in case you want to shop a different color. But this is such a beautiful fit for someone in your life who wants something special that they can use every single day. Trust me, this is a gift that will keep on giving. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.